Hello students, in this video I am going to explain significant figures. So let us learn about the rules to find out the significant figures. So there are certain rules. तो देखते हैं एक एक करके क्या क्या रूल है. So the number one rule is all non-zero digits, listen carefully, all non-zero digits are significant. I repeat, all non-zero digits are significant. Example ले लेते हैं. What is the example? Let us take 2.36. So how many significant figures are there? 3. So these are all non-zero digits. 7.829. So कितना significant figure है? 4. 4 significant figures. 32615. How many significant figures are there? 5 significant figures are there. So let us learn about the rule number 2. So what is rule number 2? The zeros between two non-zero digits, the zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. I repeat, the zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. So let us take the example 806. 8 और 6 के बीच में है 0. So the number of significant figure is 3. 83006. 3 और 6 के बीच में है 20. So the number of significant figure is 5. 8.3008. So here 2 zeros are there in between 3 and 8. So the total number of significant figure is 5. So the zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Now rule number 3. In rule number 3 क्या है? लीडिंग ज़ीरोज़ मतलब आगे का जो ज़ीरो है, लीडिंग ज़ीरोज़ और ज़ीरोज़ प्लेस टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ द नंबर आर नॉट significant. I repeat, leading zeros or the zeros placed to the left of the number are not significant. Example देख लेते हैं. 0.0036. So how many significant figures are there? So these zeros which are at the leading part, आगे का जो zero है before the non-zero digit, those are not significant. So the number of significant figure is 2. 0.58. So the number of significant figure will be 2 here. 0.001. So the number of significant figure is 1. Now let us come to rule number 4. So the rule number 4 tells us about the trailing zero in a number without a decimal point are not significant. I repeat, trailing zero मतलब जो पीछे वाला ज़ीरो है, trailing zero at the end zeros. Trailing zeros in a number without a decimal point are not significant. Okay, so let us take example 529. 529. So 529 has 3 significant figures. Now if I take 52900, so 00 are the trailing zeros or the end zeros. It will also have 3 significant figures, right? So if we talk about whole numbers, in that case the trailing zeros will not be significant. वो significant नहीं है. Now rule number 5. For a decimal number, trailing zeros or zeros to the right of the last non-zero digit are significant. I repeat, for a decimal number, trailing zeros or zeros to the right of the last non-zero digit are significant. For example 6.400. So ये decimal के बाद जो last वाला zero है, those are important. So there are 4 significant numbers. Again 64.00. So 6, 4 and 00 all are significant. So 4 significant numbers. 645.000. So it will have 6 significant figures. Okay. Now rule number 6. Now coming to rule number 6, powers of 10. Powers of 10 is not significant. Powers of 10 is not significant. Let us take the example. Let us write 4.80 meter. 4.80 मीटर है, इसको हम चेंज करके कैसे लिख सकते? इट हैज़ 3 significant figures. Now we can write it as 4.80 into 10 to the power 2 centimeter. So in that case also this 10 to the power 2 is not significant. So it has 3 significant numbers. Again we can write it as 4.80 into 10 to the power 3 millimeter. 10 to the power 3 is not significant, so 4.80 it will have 3 significant figures. Again 4.80 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilometer, it will have 3 significant figures, right? So the 7th rule is what? Ki changing, if we change the unit, that does not actually change the number of significant figures in measurements. So changing of units does not change the number of significant figures in measurement. I repeat, changing of unit does not change the number of significant figures in measurements. Let us take the example 8.09 centimeter. So it will have 3 significant figures. So we can convert it into meter, so it will be 0.0809. Now though it will have 809 are significant, so it will have 3 significant figures. Again 80.9 millimeter, it will have 3 significant figures. Okay, so this is all about rule number 7. Now rule number 8. Rule number 8. Now what is rule number 8? The exact numbers of actually we will be talking about the constants or the exact numbers which actually appear in the mathematical formula. So in that case, that physical quantity will have infinite number of significant figures. That physical quantity will have infinite number of significant figures. So the exact numbers which are in mathematical formula of various physical quantities have infinite number of significant figures. Remember, infinite number of significant figures. So example is pi. Mathematics में हम लोग क्या use करते हैं? Pi use करते हैं, right? So let us take the example pi. So the value is 3.14 and we have other digits also. So it will have infinite number of significant figures. Now if we take perimeter of a square, इसका formula क्या है? 4 into side. So this 4 is constant. This 4 is constant. So this will have infinite number of significant figures. Infinite number of significant figures. Now अब थोड़ा rounding off की बात करते हैं. Let us learn about the rounding off, because after rounding off we will be talking about the mathematical operation with significant figures. In that case we need the rounding off. So let us take a number 6.286. So it has 4 significant figures, right? So इसको round off करना है. So how much we have to round off? Up to 2 significant figures. So this 6.2, this is the cutoff digit. This is the cutoff digit. And किसको drop करना है? This 8, this number 8 has to be dropped. This number has to be dropped. That is a number after the cutoff digit has to be dropped. This cutoff number is the number which is the preceding number of the number that has to be dropped. ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं? How to do that? Now if the digit to be dropped, if the digit to be dropped is less than 5, if the digit to be dropped is less than 5, then keep the preceding number or the cutoff number as it is. It remains unchanged, no change. Example 2.82. Okay, so here you have to convert into two significant digit, right? So we'll write it as 2.8 because 2 here is the digit that has to be dropped, it is less than 5. So इसका preceding number है 8, it will remain unchanged, so it is 2.8 has been converted into two significant digit. Second है कि if the digit to be dropped, if the digit to be dropped is more than 5, more than 5 मतलब जिस डिजिट तक कट ऑफ है उसके बाद वाला जो डिजिट है वो अगर मोर देन 5 है, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, प्रीसीडिंग नंबर के साथ मतलब वो जो कट ऑफ डिजिट है उसके साथ वी विल ऐड +1, विल ऐड +1. एग्जाम्पल 2.87. okay, so we have to round it off to two significant digit, right? So 7 here is a digit that has to be dropped. 7 क्या है, 5 से ज़्यादा है, so 7 is greater than 5, so +1 is added to 8, right? So it will be 2.9. So 2.9 is two significant digit, right? Now comes the part B. So that was the part A rule. Now part B of this rounding off. Now if the digit to be dropped is 5, now if the digit to be dropped is 5, so what will happen? क्या रूल है इसमें? दो रूल है. We have two rules here. So the first rule is if 5 is followed by digits, if 5 is followed by digits which are not 0, which are not 0, if 5 is followed by digits which are not 0, that means non-zero digits, then what will happen, the preceding number, जो preceding number है, that means the cutoff जो digit है, we have to add +1, we have to add +1 to it. So if 5 is followed by a digit which is not 0, then the preceding number के साथ +1 add करना है. Example है 18.651. So there are three significant digits here. So 5 के बाद क्या है? 1 is non-zero. Then we'll add 6 के साथ +1 add कर देंगे. So rounding off will get 18.7. So we are rounding off to three significant digits. Now x equal to 2.858. We'll round it off to two significant digit. We'll round it off to two significant digit. Now 5 के बाद वाला नंबर क्या है? 8. 8 is non-zero. So 8 के साथ जो preceding number है 8 के साथ हम +1 add कर देंगे. So it will be 2.9. Now let us come to the part B of this rule, that is the zero part. That means if 5 is followed by 0, if 5 is followed by 0, if 5 is followed by 0, then what will happen? Look at the preceding number. Look at the preceding number. So I repeat, if 5 is followed by 0, look at the preceding number, that is the cutoff number. अब ये even भी हो सकता है, odd भी हो सकता है. So if the preceding number is even, then it will remain unchanged. अगर odd होगा तो preceding number के साथ 1 add हो जाएगा. If odd, then preceding number plus 1. Example, suppose the number is 4.250. 5 के बाद 0 है, so 5 से पहले वाला नंबर हम लोगों को देखना है. So this number is 2. 2 is even number, so it will remain unchanged. So if we round it off, then it will be 4.2, that is 2 significant digits, right? Next is 4.750. So 5 के बाद 0 है और इसका preceding number है 7. So the 7 is odd. So that means if we round it off to 2 significant digits, we will add plus 1 to it. So it will be 4.8. So it is 2 significant digits. Now we come to our last part. Now we will talk about the significant figures in mathematical operation. So in this case we actually need the rounding off. So our first operation is for addition. अगर addition और subtraction करना है, so how we will handle the significant figures? Okay. So for addition and subtraction के लिए, so what we will do? So our first question is, what should be the number of significant digits in the answer? जो result है उसमें कितना significant digit रहेगा after addition or subtraction. Okay, so for what we have to do, we have to, solution क्या है, we have to find out the smallest number of significant digits after decimal. Listen carefully. Find out the smallest number of significant digits after decimal in given numbers. In the given numbers, जो number दिया गया हुआ है, जो given numbers है, उसमें we have to find out which one has the smallest number of significant digits after decimal. Let's say y. So the result or जो answer होगा, that result will have to be rounded off to the smallest number of the decimal places. So the result will have to be rounded off to the smallest number of decimal places. Example, let us take the example decimal places. Okay, 1.2 plus 3.45 plus 6.788. So what will be the answer? First digit, the first one has 2 significant digits, the second one has 3 significant digits, and the last one has 4 significant digits. So let us write it in this way, in column wise: 1.2, 3.45, 6.788. So the first number 1.2 has 1 significant digit after decimal. 1 significant digit after decimal. See carefully, the number 1.2, what we have to look at? The number of significant digits after decimal. So 1.2 में क्या है? Point के बाद 2 है, so it will have 1 significant digit. So the answer that has to be rounded off, जो answer को round off करना है, will have to keep it up to 1 significant digit after decimal. So it is rounded off to 11.4. Is rounded off to 11.4. Now let us come to the other operation for multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. So multiplication और division में क्या करना है? Let us take the example 15.0 divided by 7.0. 15.0 में कितना significant digit है? 3. 7.0 में number of significant digit is 2. Now the answer is 2.4285. Now उसको round off करना है, but कहाँ तक round off करना? Answer क्या होगा exactly? Up to 2 significant digit. That is because we have to see the least number of significant digits in in the given numbers which is involved in multiplication or division. So इसमें 15.0 और 7.0 के बीच में 7.0 में है two significant digits, so that is the least one. So we'll have to round it off to 2 significant digits, so it is coming as 2.1. 1 के बाद 4 है और 4 is less than 5, so the preceding number will remain as it is, so it is 2.1. So the last one is 1.4 into 33.615. We are multiplying, so 1.4 has 2 significant digits, so the answer will also have 2 significant digits, so 47.061. So if we round it off, 0 है 5 से less है, so it will be 47. So let us do some exercise. Let us find out some significant numbers. So I am writing the numbers, you trying to find it out. आप लोग आंसर लिखिए और लास्ट में मैं आंसर इसमें लिख दूँगी, तो आप चेक कर लीजिए if you have done it correct or not. So the first one is 12361, second one is 6052.8, number 3 0.063, number 4 520, and number 5 2.10. I'll suggest you do it yourself first, then you check the answer. So the first one will have 5 significant digits. The second one will have also 5 significant digits. इसमें leading zeros हैं, those are not significant, so last one is 6 and 3, so 2 significant digits. Trailing 0 है, whole number है, so 0 will not be significant, so 5 2, so 2 significant digits. 2.10, this 0 is significant because it's after decimal, ending 0. 2.10, that is 3 significant digits. 10 to the power 15, 2 significant digits, and the last one is 4 significant digits. See you soon in our next video. Till then, bye.